Is it better to book flights through Expedia or directly with the airline? Now, when booking a flight, you might wonder, should I book through Expedia or go directly to the airline? Both options have their pros and cons depending on your travel priorities, whether it's price, flexibility, rewards, or customer service. In this guide, we'll compare Expedia and booking directly with airlines to help you decide which one is better for you. Now let's talk about the pricing and deals because it's one of the most important aspects when talking about booking from direct airlines or softwares like this one. Now, for Expedia, they often offer discounted fares, especially when bundled with hotels or rental cars. Occasionally, it provides exclusive deals that airlines may not list on their websites. However, some third-party travel agencies may include extra service fees at checkout. And now, booking directly with airline eliminates third-party fees, and some airline offer price match guarantees. You also avoid markups that travel agencies might include. Now, if you're looking for a package deal and bundled savings, Expedia can be a good option. But for transparent pricing and no hidden fees, booking directly with the airline is better. For the next category, let's talk about flexibility and ticket changes. Now, changing or canceling flights through Expedia can be difficult and time-consuming, as the policies depends on the airline and Expedia's own term. Some low-cost flights booked on Expedia are non-refundable or non-changeable. And for airlines, booking directly with an airline provides more flexibility. Airlines often have more lenient policies for changes, and you can easily modify flights through their website or customer service. If flexibility is important for rebooking or cancellation, booking directly with the airline is the safer choice. Right after, let's talk about their customer support. Since Expedia is a third-party middleman, resolving issues like delays, cancellations, or refunds may take longer. You often have to deal with both Expedia and the airline, leading to frustrating back and forth communication. And direct bookings means you can contact the airlines directly for faster resolutions if there's a delay, refund issue, or rebooking request. Now, airlines offer better customer service in case of disruption. Expedia's support can be slow and complicated. Now, talking about earning rewards and loyalty points, Expedia has its own One Key Reward program, which allows you to earn points for hotel stays, certain flights. However, most airlines do not allow you to earn frequent flyer miles when booking through third-party sites. Now, booking directly lets you earn frequent flyer miles and elite status benefits. If you fly frequently, these loyalty perks can result in free upgrades and future discounts. If you want to maximize airline miles and loyalty perks, booking directly with the airline is the best choice for this category. Now let's talk about refunds and cancellation. Expedia refunds depends on both Expedia's policy and the airline policy, which complicate the process. If you need a refund, Expedia may take weeks to process it. Now for airlines, refunds are handled directly, often making the process faster and easier if your ticket is refundable. Airline offers a smoother refund process compared to third-party travel agencies. Now, mobile application and booking experience. Now, Expedia has an easy-to-use app where you can book, manage, and track your trips. However, it lacks real-time updates that airline provides. Now for airline apps are typically more reliable with instant notification about gate changes, flight delays, and boarding issues since it's direct with the airlines itself. If you rely on a mobile app for real-time updates, booking directly with the airline is better. And then we have our travel insurance and protection. Expedia offers travel protection plans, but these are often third-party services, meaning claims can be difficult to process. Some airlines provide their own travel protection plans with more straightforward claim processes. Now, if you need travel insurance, booking directly with the airline can offer better support than Expedia's. And now we have our seat selection and upgrades. Expedia allows you to choose seat, but sometimes the airline does not recognize seat selection made through the third-party booking sites. Now, booking directly ensures you get the exact seat you want and makes it easier to upgrade to business or first class. If you care about choosing the best seat, booking directly with the airline is better. Now we then have our hidden charges or hidden fees. Now, Expedia, some budget airlines don't include the baggage fees when booked through a third-party application like Expedia, leading to unexpected costs at the checkout. Now, with the airlines, booking directly ensures that you see the full pricing with no hidden baggage fees. If you want to avoid hidden fees, booking directly is safer on airlines. And now let's talk about on when you should use Expedia. Expedia is a good option if you are booking a flight plus hotel packages for added savings, if you found an exclusive Expedia discount that airlines doesn't offer, or if you don't mind dealing with third-party customer support. Now, when should you go ahead and book directly with the airline? Booking directly with the airline is better if you want an easier ticket modification, cancellation, or refunds. If you value fast customer support during travel disruptions, or if you want to earn airline miles and loyalty benefits. And so in most cases, booking directly with the airline is better choice due to its greater flexibility, better customer service, and airline loyalty perks. When you go ahead and book directly, you can manage your flight more easily, earn frequent flyer miles, and have direct access through the airport support team in case of any cancellations, delays, or changes. This makes a huge difference, especially for travelers who fly frequently or want to maximize their loyalty rewards. Now, Expedia can still be a valuable tool for finding deals, especially when booking vacation packages that include flights, hotels, and car rentals. It can also be useful for comparing different airline prices in one place, helping you find more budget-friendly options. That said, travelers should be cautious of hidden fees, restrictions on ticket changes, and limitations on earning airline miles when booking through a third-party platform. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your travel needs. If you prioritize customer support, flexibility, and earning rewards, booking directly with the airline is the way to go. But if you're hunting for the best possible deal and are comfortable with third-party booking experience, Expedia may offer savings that airlines don't. Now, before making your decision, always compare both options. Read the fine print and ensure that you're getting the best value for your trip. Now, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.